Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo A57s device, and now I will show you how to improve battery life on your device. So let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open the control panel and let's take a closer look at all the items. Great. So, if you are not using Wi-Fi right now, but only using the mobile network, then disable the Wi-Fi. If you are only using Wi-Fi but not using the mobile network, then disable the mobile network. This will save your battery power as the phone will not search for unused networks. And if you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi use less battery power. Okay. Moving on. Android has geolocation services enabled by default. As you can see, I have location services here, but if you have not, you need to click on pencil button and find location services here in the bottom panel and click on plus button. In this way, your location services will be added to your control panel. So now you can just disable your location services. Great. So now you can easily turn it off, just clicking on the desired tile and click the close button. That's it. And the next step is to reduce your screen brightness, because screen consumes a lot of battery power, and of course if you have enabled screen brightness on the max, your battery will be reduced quickly. So I suggest you reduce your screen brightness to improve battery life. And the next step to improve your battery life is enabling the power saving mode. If you want to enable power saving mode, open battery in settings. Here you will see power saving mode. So click on it. And here we have power saving mode. So click on it, wait a while, and great. Power saving mode is enabled. Why power saving mode works? It's because power saving mode your phone uses less RAM, which means less battery power. In addition, power saving mode reduces the runtime when the screen is on, as you can see, and the brightness of the screen is also reduced. So if you want, you can disable power saving mode right now. And as you can see, we have super power saving mode here. So if you only need your phone to make calls and you need it to last as long as possible, then I recommend you to turn on the super power saving function. To do this, in the battery menu, click super power saving mode, click turn on, wait a while, and great. As you can see, in this mode we have limited number of applications available to use, and you can add up to 3 more applications by clicking on plus button. But I don't recommend you add power hungry applications like games or video hosting apps like YouTube or Netflix, because if you will add power hungry applications makes super power saving mode useless. Okay, in super power saving mode your phone will last much longer on a single charge. That is possible. If you want to close super power saving mode, just click on exit button on the left top corner and click on exit super power saving mode. Wait a while and great. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.